Hello and welcome back to Intellify. My name is Yash and in this video we will be discussing Class 12 Contemporary World Politics, Chapter number 7 Security in the Contemporary World. And in this video we will be discussing the question number 3 of this chapter. So let's have a look. The question says, what is the difference between traditional and non-traditional security? Which category would the creation and subsistence of alliances belong to? So let's look at some of the differences between traditional and non-traditional security. First comes the traditional notion of security is concerned with the use or threat of use of military forces and action, whereas non-traditional security goes beyond military actions and focuses on other kinds of threats impacting human existence. The second difference is, let's look at the side of traditional security first. Such a concept of security basically endangers the certain core values of nation like sovereignty, independence, and territorial integrity. Whereas non-traditional security expands the notion of security as it speaks of the security of individuals, of people, and of humanity as a whole. The third difference between traditional and non-traditional security is the traditional notion of security can be both external, that is, threat coming from other countries, or internal, that is, threat coming from the groups or region demanding secessionism. Whereas non-traditional security is often referred to as human security or global security from the danger coming from the new sources. Let's look at the fourth difference. Under traditional security includes force which is the source of threat as well as of means of attaining peace and security. Whereas non-traditional security identifies new kinds of threats like terrorism, poverty, human rights violation, human epidemics, and migration. The last difference between traditional and non-traditional security is the main strategies involved in countering the traditional threats are to defend, to surrender, to prevent an attack, to form alliances, to maintain a balance of power, etc. Whereas the main strategy involved in countering the non-traditional security threats is cooperation among the nations, states, rather than military action. Yeah, so these were 5 differences between traditional and non-traditional security. The second part of the question asks, where would you categorize the creation and subsistence of alliances? So the creation and subsistence of alliances would belong to the category of traditional security, where countries may form alliances or a coalition to deter or defend an attack, to expand their powers and strengthen and to maintain the balance of power. For example, the Cold War politics. The Cold War politics resulted in the formation of military alliances by the superpowers as a deterrent against each other's action. So yeah, this was the answer of question number 2, both the parts. My name is Yash. Hope you understood well. Thank you.